In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save Snapchat memories before they're deleted. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Snapchat, and from in there, click on the camera icon on below, which is on the middle as well. So click on this and snap in your picture. Then click on the send to and then post it into your story. So I'll post it right here and click on send and it will be posted. So after that, let's head over into our actual profile. Just click on your profile icon and it will show you right here this. You have in here a story and it will be recognized as your memory. You can also just click on that right here again and make sure to click onto the save icon in order to save it. Now, if other people actually posted that particular memory, what we can do is we can find that right here. Just click on that memory right there. And then from in there, just click onto these three dots. You can export and send this snap to other people. You can either copy this and send it to Messenger and also just download it all together. So that's how you save Snapchat memories before they're deleted. Hope we help.